Hello students, in this video we will see how to create an instance in AWS Amazon Web Services EC2 services. Using this EC2 services, you can create your own instances of server. That means you can create a server using Ubuntu and also Windows, which can be used to save the data or to serve as a cloud platform for all your transactions. Now let us see a step-by-step process how to create an instance and install an Apache software to create an Apache server in that instance. Let's begin.
Once you log in, you will get this screen and click on EC2. The moment you click on EC2, it will take you to the EC2 dashboard. This is called EC2 dashboard. First, you change this data center to Middle East UAE. Once you change this data center to Middle East UAE, you can see if any instances are running. In the free account, you can have only one instances. By mistake also, don't create another instance because it will charge you. Create only one instance, right? So now these are the instances. I already have two instances in my account. So now what you do is, in this you just have to if you want to create a new instance, just go to launch instance. Just go to launch instance. This launch instance will take you to launch a new instance. Now, moment you click on the launch instance, it will take you another page where you can launch your instance. In this page, you can launch your instance. What you mean by launching your instance? That means you are going to create a server. You're going to create a Ubuntu web server. Okay, so to create a Ubuntu web server, what we are going to do here is we select a Ubuntu version, Ubuntu software, and also we can choose our space, our server space on AWS. For the free account, a fixed amount of CPUs, fixed amount of RAM, and fixed amount of SSD space is allowed. Now, carefully you do this. First, what you have to do is give a name for your instance. This is what the name of your. It's not the name of your web server, but this is the name of your instance. Okay, server name is actually based on your IP address which is generated. Hope all of you understood this. Okay, give a name for this. I will give a name as maybe BPDC. Okay, you can give, it can be anything. Okay, BPDC. I'll give underscore IoT. Okay, I have given the instance name as BPDC IoT. Okay, now come down. Just come down. So here, search all full category, including thousands of applications. Okay, so you don't need the thousands of applications from AWS. Just you put here as Ubuntu. Just put here as Ubuntu. So then press enter. It will take you to different versions of Ubuntu available for you. Right? It will take you to different versions of Ubuntu available to your account. In that account, you choose the latest one, okay, which has a free tier eligible tag on that, which has a free tier eligible tag on this, right? So you can see here, you can see my cursor here, okay? So this has a free tier eligibility. Choose only free tier eligibility. Don't take anything else. And here you take the 64-bit x86 because you are using PC, which is x86, and it is 64-bit. Okay, don't choose the ARM one. Select this. Okay, now you simply click on the select. Click on the select. Simply click on the select. That means you are choosing Ubuntu, the version 24.04. Just remember this version 24.04. And if you come down here, see, just come down here, okay? You see all these details here, and here if you see instance type, it is free tier eligible. That means it is free, right? For 1 year it is free. Okay, see, here you are actually using two virtual CPUs. You are using two virtual CPUs, and you are using 1 GB of memory, 1 GB of RAM. This is 1 GB of RAM. Okay, this is 1 GB of RAM. Okay, and all these things are not required. You need not worry about it. Go down, till go down. Here you see something key pair. What is this key pair is? See, this is for security purpose, right? So you can use a key, okay? You can use a key to connect to this server. Not only password and username. You can connect it with a key, one key file. For that, you need to generate one key. Now, for that, what you do is here, if you already have some key, it will be shown here. Since you are installing new, you may not have anything here. Just click on create new key pair. Just click on create new key pair. When you click on, see, just click on create new pair, key pair. It will take you to another window which has a new key pair generation details. Here you give a name. Always try to give a name which is same as the instance name. That's because it's very easy to remember, right? Okay. So just give BPDC underscore IoT. I'm giving my key name as BPDC underscore IoT. Okay. And select RSA. This is the encryption which is used as RSA. Okay. Now, since you are going to use putty, right? So you can create a file called as ppk file. This is for putty, right? So putty, for putty you can use pm file also. It takes nowadays. You can use either pm or ppk file. Okay. So for the use of the putty, you can use this ppk.ppk file. Okay. Now just click on create key pair. So create key pair. Moment your key pair is created, you can see here whichever download folder you have, this BPDC IoT PPK is stored. Keep it aside. Keep it aside. Okay. Keep it aside. Whenever you connect it using any external entity, you can use that. Okay. So once you create a key pair, go down. Now here, some network setting you have to do. Don't touch anything like this. Okay. In this network, anyway it will allow SSH traffic. Also, since it is a web server, okay, you can use HTTP. Click on HTTP. Click on HTTP. Don't click on HTTPS because this HTTPS requires some certifications, security certification, which you need to buy. Have understood this? So don't click on this, but click on allow HTTP traffic from the internet. Do this and keep this. right? This configuration was over. Now come down, come down, come down. See here, storage configuration. Now do the storage configuration. Now in storage configuration, what you do, okay, you can select how much storage you require. See, as a free tier, you can see that you can have up to 30 GB. You can use up to 30 GB of SSD storage in AWS. We don't use 30 GB. What we'll do, you'll use 15 GB right now. Okay, use this. Don't change this GP3. Keep it as it is. Don't add new volume and all. Nothing you do. Okay. Now keep it as it is. It is done. Okay. These advanced details, you need not touch this. Let it be as it is. Don't do any configuration on this advanced details. Don't do this. Right now it is not required. Keep it as it is. Only these are the changes you have to do. I'll repeat what are the changes you have to do. First, give this name. Okay. And once you just select the Ubuntu and all, it will come to the launch instance. Okay, all this instance name will be there, and here you can see that it is making use of 2 CPU. Create a key pair. Okay, create a key pair, and then here you select HTTP, and then select the storage space as 15. Right now, come to the right side. See your right side. Come to right side here. Can you see here one button called launch instance? You can see a launch instance here. Okay, so click on the launch instance. Just click on the launch instance once you do the configuration. See, now here it is actually now trying to launch an instance. See, moment you launch an instance, you will get a success here. See, you get a success here. If you get this, that means your instance is launched. You already created one instance in AWS, right? Okay, see, now you can just go to you can click here and go to this instance, or you can just see your instances in view in all instances. So what I will do is I will go to either you can go here or here. I will see my instances. I will go to instances. Can you see here a BPDC IoT instance is created? See, it is just initializing now. It will take some small time. Okay, so for status check, don't worry, it will complete everything immediately. Okay, now see here, the instance which I have just created is here. So just click on this. Just click on this. Just click on this. Moment you click on this, all the instance details will come. See here. This is your instance. See, this is the public IP address. This is the public IP address. Using this public IP address, you can connect to this server. Okay. Now this is the private IP address. Right? Okay. So now if you take this IP address, okay, and put it on your browser, you don't see anything now. Right now, you are not installed any server or software in that, right? You haven't installed any server software in that. So it is not there now. Okay. So you have to install. Okay. Now how to install that? Now what you do is, okay, see, you click on your instance, whichever instance you have generated here. Okay. So I have more than one instance because this my account is a paid one. Okay. So that's why I can do that, but in your case you don't do that. Okay, now click on this. Okay, can you see one connect button here? Connect, right? Click on your instance, just connect it. Now see here, different connection schemes will come here. I will tell you about SSH client connection later. First, let us connect through EC2 Instance Connect itself. First, let us connect it through EC2 Instant Connect itself. Okay, now go down, don't touch anything there, don't change anything there. We are going to connect to this public IP address. You're going to connect to the instance. Just click on the connect. Just click on the connect. If everything is all right, you will get the terminal. See here. If everything is all right, you'll get the terminal. Now your instance is ready. Your server is ready now. You can do anything with this now. This is the Ubuntu server now. Now what I will do? First I will do as usual my simple command sudo apt-get update. This is one update you have to do every time. Okay, once in 2 days you can do this. Just do this. It will do small update. Okay, it won't take much time for you to do, right? Fine. Okay, it's done. Now I will install a server. Right. See, now before installing server, you are getting this whenever you put a IP address, public IP address. Now what you do is, okay, now you install sudo apt get install Apache 2. You all know Apache 2 because for Raspberry Pi you have used it, right? Okay, so just do sudo apt get install Apache 2. Now here you can press yes. It is installing Apache 2 server in this. It may take a while. It is installing Apache 2 in this now. Just done. Now you start this Apache server. Hope you remember. You have to use this sudo service Apache 2 start. Right? So now directly go there. You can paste this if you have it with you. Okay. Now the server is started. Right. So now you take this IP address and put it here. Okay, it's already here. I will try to refresh. Definitely it has to show that Apache server in it. If it doesn't show, then your Apache server is not installed. It will definitely show that. It's taking some time. Sometimes it might take time because there are certain installations which it has to do. Okay, so it is not giving. I will just start Apache 2 again. You take this. Sometimes update will take time. Just you may have to wait for, yes, it has come. Right? Now you see it has come now. Now you can put this anywhere. You can try it your side also. It is launching this. This is the launching page for the Ubuntu, whatever you have, Apache server, whatever you have installed. Have you understood this now?